You have those times in life where everything is going well, you're content, there's no major life things happening, and you're able to just homeschool the way that you want to. Every day has a schedule, you're being consistent. But what about when life throws curveballs at you and you are not at a place where you can be as consistent or content? How do you adjust your homeschooling in the midst of moving, relationship issues, financial problems, health issues, or any big major life changes? Well, we're going to talk about that in this video. Hey guys, it's Fanny from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. And this year has been a tough homeschooling year for us. I feel like we've been on like a roller coaster, just being consistent and changing things up, and me really just trying to find what works to motivate my kids and to motivate myself. And once I thought I had it all down packed, we're moving again. Now we have a whole house to pack up and move and homeschool, and we really can't afford to take any breaks off right now. So I've adjusted my homeschooling, and I'm gonna share with you how. So I've had to adjust our days, and I'm gonna give you 5 tips to help you to change your homeschool around so that when you're in a big life situation, whether a new baby's coming into the picture or any of the other events that I mentioned before, you can have some peace knowing that your kids will be okay. Tip number 1 is to keep it simple. Focus on what is really important for you, for your kids to learn. It's math or reading or writing. What are the skills that they really need to hone in on and get done so that they can continue to improve or not be so far behind if they were to stop that and take a break. Cut out the things that are not super necessary at the time and just stick to the core of things that are important to you. Tip 2, don't be afraid to use videos, audiobooks, read out loud times to simplify your homeschool. There is so much that your kids can learn from these other things, and the more that a child has fun, the more information they retain. Tip number 3 is to go easy on your time frame. Don't feel like you have to wake up every day at the same time, get done school at the same time. Remember that you can adjust your time frame to homeschool in the evening, on the weekends, early in the morning, whatever it is that suits your needs at this time of change. Tip 4, make sure you continue to go on your play dates, field trips, co-op activities, and things like that. Learning is always happening. It's important when there's a big change too, for the kids to spend time with friends and be outdoors and have fun field trips and fun activities. So if you don't have those things planned, make sure you sprinkle them in, and then you can come home and have them write something, a paragraph or something in a field trip journal about what they learned. And tip number 5 is give yourself some grace. Let yourself know that it's okay if your kids are not doing as much as they used to do or as much as other kids are doing. When you're homeschooling, you have unlimited time. You have the summertime, you have nights, weekends. You can always catch up. You can always work at your own pace. And you have to give yourself time to allow life things to happen, to get yourself through it. If you need time to get yourself together because what you're going through is not a positive thing, then take that time, take that mental health break, take care of yourself before you can take care of your children and give them the education that you want to. Those were some quick tips. In the next video, I'm going to share with you guys how we are changing everything and actually whether or not we are actually dumping our curriculum for the rest of this year. So make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when I post that video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.